So for question 5, right? Question 5 is, for this you just give the answer in.
Yes.
But what I need you to do is, what if in this case, let's say, instead of h equals to 5, h equals to negative 5. What you need to do? You need to give it a bracket. Okay, no. Probably I should just give you b equals to negative 9. So how will the answer be different? So what you need to do here is this. 1/3. Can you see b is negative 9? So what you need to do is negative 9 bracket square. Whenever you have a negative number, right, you need to give a bracket.
Yes.
Okay? Then h equals to 5, so it's 5. So you just punch in the calculator and what do you get?
9981等于
Divide by 3.
除以3
Yeah.
13
Okay, 135. Very good. So next, what if express h in terms of e and b? So what it means like I don't want, so over here b is actually the subject. So now they want h to be the subject. So that means instead of the h on the right hand side, right? So they want to get rid, basically I want to see h equals to something. Or I want something equals to h, right? So how do you get something equals to h? So you should get rid of these two, right? If you can get rid of these two, then you get h equals to something. How do you get rid of this? Very simple. Just, how do you get rid of this? So that you get h equals to something. So you just divide by this whole thing, right? You divide by this whole thing. So if you divide by this whole thing on the right hand side, so you also need to divide by this whole thing on the left hand side. What do you get? So it's e divided by 1/3 b square. Huh?
没想到
Does it make sense? Does it make sense?
Yes.
So something like, what if I give you, let's say I give you e equals to minus 5h. How do you get h? You divide by negative 5, right? So therefore you divide by negative 5 on this side. So it will be e divided by negative 5. Does it make sense or not? Equals to h. But of course here you need to tidy up a little bit. Because you divide by 1/3 below, it's actually you times 3. So therefore it's 3e equals to b square. That's how you tidy up. Because you have 1 over 1/3 here. So 1 over 1/3 is actually 3. Then e divided by b squared, okay, you cannot simplify further. So actually the final answer is this. But if you can reach this step, you get 1 mark already. Okay? So in a way this is very simple. Okay? Phân kia.